Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you happen to be watching this. And welcome again to reason 14 for polishing your shoes. When I was a young man, it was often said to me that I would go at things like a bull at a gate. I would rush in headlong with no thought or consideration or preparation. And as I've got older, I've realised how valuable that is to prepare, to think about it. We talked about it at the start. Give it 3 coats of looking at. And the reason I'm coming to, reason 14 for polishing your shoes, is that it develops your patience. And patience is a virtue or a characteristic that I would recommend that anyone tries to develop. You need it. You need to be patient, stand back and watch, persevere, pace yourself, and eventually that will pay off. You will see a mirror shine and your shoes appearing as you patiently layer the polish and the water over and over again. You can't quite see it yet. There is a shine, but nothing like the shine that I will show you as the days progress. So there you go. Reason 14. Patience, the development of. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow for reason 15. Bye for now.